Hello, everyone, and welcome to week 10. Sorry, the weekly update is a day behind schedule. This week and next week, we are focusing on types of claims. By now, you realized that this is part 4 in your textbook, where we take a look at arguments in depth. And this week, we are looking at two different types of claims. The first is definition and resemblance arguments, and the second is causal arguments. And normally, this is where we do a group project, where I divide you up into 4 groups. Each group is assigned a type of claim, and you put together a little presentation for the class and activity. But due to all of the COVID constraints and such different busy schedules this semester, I figured it was best to scrap the group project. As much as I hated to do that, I thought it was going to cause more problems than you would get benefits from it. So you will be learning individually about all 4 types. And so this week, I have a PowerPoint posted for each chapter. The chapter 12 one was done by a group of students that I had in the fall that was excellent. So I decided to post it for you guys. And same goes for chapter 13, although they did not have a voiceover, so I provide the voiceover. Next week, we'll be looking at evaluation and ethical arguments, as well as proposal arguments. If you are using an older edition of the textbook and you cannot locate these class activities that I have you completing this week, please email me and I can send you a screenshot of those activities. Some of you have already done that, so please, if anybody does not have access to them, reach out to me as soon as possible and I will gladly supply them for you. So I hope you guys are having a good week. Please reach out if you have any questions or problems. Some of you are still a little bit behind. I'm getting extremely worried for your well-being and whether or not you were going to pass this course. I am still working on grading your research papers. It shouldn't be long now, and I'll have those wrapped up. And I will also move on and start to grade your oral presentations. So have a great week, and please let me know if you have any questions or problems.